Yes, I am Naeem Toor, the coordinator of Rafiq Research and Educational Earth Charter Youth Group, Lodhra, Punjab, Pakistan. Here we are among these IDPs, and our member of Rafiq Research and Educational Earth Charter Youth Group, Dr. Nadeem, he is among us, and to check the patients, and he is going to check the patients here. And the other Earth Charter youth members are with us. They are working voluntarily, and they are really packed with double zeal and zest, and they want to do something for the betterment of these IDPs. And I am really very thankful to these IDPs. He is one of our representative and the Earth Charter member. He is going to distribute the medicine among these IDPs. So So there are some Earth Charter representatives. They do have different passions, and these are the kids, and they are here, and they are getting the medicine and food as well without any cost. So they are really very thankful. And here there is a chronic patient. You can see him very well. You can see his face, and he is infected by leprosy, and he is unable to eat anything. So this is the chronic patient. Here we can see. So there is our representative of Rafiq Research and Educational Earth Charter Youth Group, Mr. Nadeem Rao. He do have different passions, and he do have the different feelings. And now we are going to talk with Mr. Nadeem Rao. Yes, Nadeem. So you are the member of the Rafiq Research and Educational Earth Charter Youth Group. You came here from your hometown after doing a long distance. So how do you feel that you work voluntarily with these guys, and I being a coordinator, how do you find that? What is this teamwork, and what is your own feelings about today, about these IDPs?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I really very surprised to see the condition of the people. The people are very needy, and they are very helpless, I thought. But now I can say it, this is really marvelous work which they are doing, Rafiq Research and Education Society. And I think so. I would like to thank all the authorities who are working and supporting us, because here are a lot of people, the very, very poor people.
Okay. What do you think that how was our teamwork, and how do we coordinate it as far as the food distribution was concerned, and as far as the checking and the distribution of the medicine was concerned?
Yeah, that was really too good, a very organized work. Whatever they are doing, that every work is very organized, and I think I would appreciate it, because the things are going to be a needy person. Those are the really deserved persons. So that I'm very happy to see, and I would like to appreciate Naeem Toor. He's organized. He works very superbly, and member of this organization also working superbly and voluntarily. That's a very good sign.
Okay, so why you are a student, and why you joined this Earth Charter Youth Group, and why you are working voluntarily? What is the reason behind this? Well, what would you get after doing after providing the services voluntarily?
Because I feel very peace and calm, because after done this work, I feel myself very happy, because I'm serving for the people who are the needy. So I think so this is a good sign, and so that's why I'm working with them, and I'm very happy to work with all these things.
Thank you. You listened, Mr. Nadeem Rao. He said that after doing this volunteer work, after helping these poor and needy kids, he would be very happy. He would be very in peace and calm. He further said that he would be really very happy to enjoy. He would be really very happy to work with these guys, and he said that he would be in peace and calm by doing the sporting and doing this volunteer work. So thank you, Mr. Nadeem Rao. In the same way, there are different persons who are serving with us, and now there is the head guardian of Rafiq Research and Education Society, Dr. Rana Rafiq Ahmed. We are with him. He is going to check the patients. So this all work is going to be voluntarily. So this is a teamwork. It shows a cohesion and coherence. So in the near future, I would like to request to the honorable one-person club members that we want to do different things, as I had submitted a project which was our second project with the name of injecting drug users. So we want to do work. We want to conduct activity with these injecting drug users, and we want to do a harm reduction project with these injecting drug users. So this is our second project which we would submit to the 1% club members. I would like to request to the 1% club members that now we would be after a couple of days in the second phase of this project, and I hope that after the complementation of this project we would continue our project and we would carry the day. I am really again thankful to 1% club members. I am thankful to the Arts Charter initiative. I am thankful to Rafiq Research Educational Arts Charter Youth Group representative, Dodra, Punjab, Pakistan. Thank you all of you